Have you ever wondered why some traders seem to achieve success faster than others? Well, it's not luck. It's a few key principles that millionaire traders follow. Today, I'm going to share these millionaire secrets with you and give you some exercises to help you apply them. So if you're ready to trade like a professional, let's get stuck into it. Alright, millionaire secret number one is that millionaires think in terms of systems, not trades. Instead of focusing on one big win, they build a repeatable process. Here's an exercise for you. Create your own system. Write down the rules for each trade. These rules must include your entry criteria, your exit strategy, your risk level, your maximum risk, the market you trade, when you're able to trade it, what time frame you trade it on. Start there. Once you have those steps and rules, commit to following them for the next 10 trades without deviation. You can download a sample trade plan in the description of this video. It's a great place to start, so go and get that now. Next secret is number 2, patience. Successful traders, millionaire traders, understand that not every market condition is right for trading. They wait for the best setups. Exercise 2 for you is called patience. For the next week, practice only taking trades that meet your criteria 100%. If it doesn't fit your criteria or your system, don't trade it. I don't want it's near enough or it's there or thereabouts. You can't be half pregnant. By doing this, you will build patience and avoid impulsive mistakes, which can be very costly. All right, the third secret is emotional control. Millionaires don't let the highs and lows of the market dictate their actions. Here's an exercise for you. Keep an emotional log. For each trade, note down your emotional state on a scale of 1 to 10. Were you feeling very anxious, very greedy, or very calm? At one end of the scale, put fear. At the other, put greed. And have calm and poised in the middle. Recognizing these emotions in your trading will help you understand how they impact your decisions and ultimately help you gain control. Maybe only take trades where you score a 4 to 6 on this scale. Success in trading isn't magic, it's built on habits. Start thinking in systems, practice patience, and take control of your emotions. Try the exercises I have laid out for you and you will start seeing real progress. If you start adopting these habits of millionaires, you will set yourself up for true success. Alright, I've done all the templates for you in the description. Go and grab those now. Let me know how you get on. And guys, as always, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, share this video with your friends, and bye for now.